If you watch my channel long enough, you will know that I'm absolutely obsessed with City Lips. I have used City Lips probably for, I'd say about 10 years now, and I've only been doing YouTube for 2 years, so this is a product that has been my all-time favorite for many, many years. Out of all the shades, these are the ones that I always have in my rotation. These are my all-time favorites, and I'm just gonna quickly show you swatches so you can see what they look like compared to each other. This first one is what I have on my lips right now. This is the shade San Diego. It is kind of like a peachy pink and it's got gold sheen, kind of like a shimmer. There's no chunks of glitter or anything like that, just beautiful kind of light reflecting. And this is definitely something for more mature lips. These aren't just lip glosses. These are plumping lip glosses, but there is no stinging, no burning, at least for my lips, none whatsoever. You know, some of those other plumping lip glosses, you put them on and they might plump a little bit, but your lips are on fire and you can maybe only use them for 2 days because then your lips are swollen and red and irritated. I use City Lips every single day. I even use it as my skincare in the morning when I do my skincare routine, and I use it in the evening for my evening skincare routine for my lips. Not only are these plumping lip glosses, but these are skincare for your lips. They are full of really good ingredients. They have antioxidants. They have my favorite form of vitamin C, the THD form of vitamin C. They have peptides. They have hyaluronic acid, a bunch of really amazing ingredients that not only help plump up your lips within maybe I'd say 10 to 20 minutes after you initially put them on, but one thing I noticed that they do for my lips, oftentimes when I share a picture on Instagram, someone will say, oh, can you share what lip liner you're wearing? I am not wearing any lip liner, especially when I wear the clear, and I'm going to show you that one here in a moment. When I wear the clear, you can really notice. It looks like I have on like a little bit darker shade of lip liner, but after using these over time, they have kind of pinked up my lips again so they don't just kind of blend in with my skin. But they've also darkened up that border around my lips, so it kind of tricks the eye and makes it look like I have on lip liner. This next shade is called Los Angelips. This is what I have in the center over top of the San Diego. This is a beautiful, it's kind of like a cool tone pink. It's very sheer, so you can only notice it when the light reflects it, but it's like a cool tone pink, and it also has like a gold sheen, a gold shimmer to it. This next shade is my favorite. It's super sheer. It kind of just looks like a clear, but this one's called Tinsel, and it just has a super sheer pinky shade to it. It's like a cool tone pink, and this has a silver sheen to it. So it's quite similar to the Los Angelips, except Tinseltown is a cool tone, Los Angelips is more of a warm. And then of course the clear, it's just clear, but notice how super glossy these are. That's one thing I love. They're glossy, they're not running down my hand. They're a thicker type of a lip gloss. I don't find them to be sticky at all on my lips, but I do like the thickness of them because they stay put. When I put these on at night when I go to bed, I wake up and I still have them on my lips. And then my absolute favorite of their mattes, this is called Rosy Mauve. This is so beautiful, and it looks just like a rosy mauve shade. Now, this is very opaque, very pigmented, but this is not like a matte shade that you would find, you know, at the drugstore, or, you know, even some of the high-end mattes that you would get at Sephora or Nordstrom. Those are very drying. This is a very wearable matte, but it doesn't dry down to look chalky and cakey. It dries down and it looks just like this. So there's still a hint of a sheen on here, but what I love about these, with their matte shades, you don't need a lip liner. The way this brush is angled, it's got this nice kind of point at the tip. This allows you to draw a really beautiful, precise lip line. This will stay on all day long, even after eating, even after drinking. This is a very wearable matte, but it actually stays put. This is one that I reach for when I need to have my lipstick stay on all day, or maybe you're going out, or maybe you're gonna have photos taken or something like that and you don't wanna have to keep touching up your lip gloss. Their mattes are absolutely perfection for that. And of course, since I like to blend everything, my favorite combination is their matte Rosy Mauve, and then I put Tinseltown over top. This makes it look so pretty. So if you just love that glossy feel on your lips, but you want your lipstick to stay, just put a smidge of the gloss in the center. I want to show you how beautiful the clear is, because maybe you're not even someone who wants to wear colorful makeup on your face. Maybe you're just natural, but you want to enhance the look of your lips. The clear is phenomenal for that. Or maybe you do wear makeup, but you're not really into lip gloss. You like lipsticks. Like I said, I will put this on in the morning and in the evening as my skincare, and perhaps I want to use a totally different lip gloss for the day or a totally different lipstick for the day. I still will always put these on like when I'm doing my makeup or right after I've done my skincare, because I want my lips to get the skincare benefits of the vitamin C, the peptides, the hyaluronic acid, that plumping benefit that this will give my lips. And then after I've left it on for a good 20 minutes or so, then I just wipe it off and I can put on whatever other lipstick, but my lips are already plumped up, they look more youthful, they're healthy, and I'm able to put on any other lip product afterwards. What I like to do is put just a smidge right above the border of my lips, because then what it'll do after, 10, 20 minutes of me wearing it like that, it will even plump up that skin right above my lip, and it will kind of pink it up, and it kind of tricks the eye and makes it look like I've had just a smidge of filler right there. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.